What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Reviews. Hey, thanks for checking out the channel, checking out the video. So today we are going to be talking about, and I'm going to kind of show you what happens when you travel with a laptop. So stay tuned. What's going on, guys? So as I said earlier, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Reviews. Now, thank you guys for tuning in. We really appreciate it. Today, I just wanted to talk about and kind of show you guys what happened to my laptop. Now, obviously, for most of our video stuff, we use the Alienware R5 Aurora that we've upgraded. We're going to be talking about that in later videos. But what I have been using when I go to work, which I work remotely, I have to fly to work every couple of weeks and I'm there for an extended period of time. I've been using a Lenovo laptop. Now, the Lenovo laptop had a 850M, it had a hybrid drive, and it also has 16 gigs of RAM. So it did okay. We were actually getting ready to do an SSD upgrade for it, but while I was at work, it broke. So, and when I say it broke, I mean not just like a hardware failure or something of that nature. I mean it snapped off. So let's take a look at this bad boy. All right, guys. So if you're looking at it right here, this right here is the soft sleeve that I carried in. Again, it's a 17-inch Lenovo. Let's open it up here. I haven't opened it since I got back from work. I was actually fearing it because when the day I was leaving, this bad boy, the screen snapped, and I'm not sure what it looks like now other than I shoved it in my bag and had to leave. So let's take a look at it. Turning on the Alienware, the big desktop, as we're getting ready to start doing that. So let's take a look at this thing. As you can see how the screen's sitting off to the side? I don't think that's a standard feature. The back's snapped off. And what we're getting ready to do is I'm actually going to take this apart because I'm going to pull some parts out of it. And then I've got to back up some of the information that's on it as well. As you can see, look at the front of this thing. So that is what I'm dealing with right now. And so the reason I have this laptop is predominantly so I can do work while, you know, work on YouTube stuff, work on photo stuff while I'm away. All right, so obviously the Toshiba is, or not Toshiba, the Lenovo is pretty much shot. I did look into the warranty. We've had it for a couple of years, so no good there. Like I said, I am going to try to recover some of the parts out of it for either the new laptop or something else. So let's look at what we've got as a replacement. And again, so this was a 17-inch Lenovo. What we're going to is this guy right here. So what that is the Alienware R15. Now, I'm not Alienware exclusive. In fact, I don't personally care for Alienware. However, this setup we got for a smoking deal at Best Buy. In fact, it was better than just about any other computer, and it was on the same price range because it was a return. So we've got the Alienware R15 with the GTX 1070, and it's got a terabyte 7200 RPM backup drive and a 128 solid state drive, and we did end up getting another 250 gig drive for it as well. So we are going to continue, and in fact that's going to increase our workflow, which is super exciting. So we're actually going to start adding more of these just kind of impromptu videos in addition to everything else with the Wrenched Out Reviews and the Wrenched Out Experiment all in all. But I just thought that I would share kind of what our work computer is. Now, the Alienware is a 15-inch. It's actually pretty big. Let me show you kind of a comparison between the two. So the Lenovo is obviously 17 versus the 15, but the Alienware is pretty big. It's also heavy. However, it packs a lot more power than the Lenovo, so we're super excited about that and the ability to start editing and cutting more videos faster without as much reservation as we have had in the past. So it's good for us, it's good for you guys, because you're going to get more content sooner. So that is our upgrade. We will do probably a informal review on the Alienware. The Lenovo did a great job. If you guys are looking at kind of a basic computer for video editing and photo editing, it did a great job. Now, if you're going to do some intense work, or you're really going to be pushing the buck as far as space and just pretty much anything you could think of, then you're going to want an upgrade. You don't have to go as far as the Alienware, but I would highly suggest looking into something between these two. The Lenovo, when I got it, was one of the best on the market. Obviously now the Alienware is one of the best on the market with the bigger graphics card and everything else. So that pretty much wraps up the video, just kind of an update, and I wanted to show you guys what had happened and why there was a little bit of a delay in the channel itself. So thank you guys for tuning in, and again, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure hit that subscribe button, as we've got a lot of review videos. We've got a lot of other cool videos coming this way, to include we're going to start doing a couple of new segments that you guys should probably stick around and see. So thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.